Hello and welcome to another video with Mr. Math. Today we're checking this integral. We're solving the indefinite integral and then we need to check the result, of course, by finding the derivative. What we have here is the integral of x plus 1 times 3x minus 2 dx. So there's a multiplication here. Let's remember that for integrals we do not have a rule for a multiplication of functions. So what we need to do here is to actually multiply one binomial times the other binomial. So let's distribute the multiplication. We'll have x times 3x. We're going to distribute, right? I think somebody used to call FOIL this. So this will be 3x squared minus 2x plus 3x minus 2 dx. Okay, then we will combine like terms. We have 3x squared, negative 2x plus 3x, that is just x, minus 2 dx. Okay, let's distribute our integral. We'll have 3x squared dx plus the integral of x dx minus the integral of 2 dx. In theory, what we'll have here is 3 integral of x squared dx plus the integral of x dx, we're just repeating that one, minus 2 integral of dx. Okay, now let's find the integral of each one. The first one will have 3 times x to the 2 plus 1 will be 3 over 3 plus x squared over 2 minus 2x plus our constant of integration. Okay, what can we do next here? So we need to just simplify. Let's shrink this a little bit. Okay, we can simplify that 3 and that 3 will cancel out. And we'll have x cubed plus x squared over 2 minus 2x plus c. Okay, our next step is to find the derivative. I'm going to use the prime symbol as the operator for the derivative, and my derivative will be 3x squared plus 2x over 2 minus 2, and the derivative of the constant is 0. As a final answer, we have 3x squared. This 2 and 2 will cancel out, will be plus x minus 2. And if we see, this is exactly the expression that we had once we multiply both binomials. So if we factor this expression, we'll end it up into the original function. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you.